let us solve some problems on integrals here. So let us take this integral dx by sine square x plus 2 cos square x. Okay. Now let us divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So I get that as by 1 by cos square x becomes secant square x divided by this I will get as sine square by cos square becomes tan square, and cos square by cos square becomes 2. So I'll put the constant here, and 2 plus tan square x. Okay, then let us take t as tan x. Okay, tan x as t. Okay, so now you'll get dt as secant square x dx. So this is integral this is dt by 2 plus t square, right? Okay, so this is equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse t by root plus c. Okay, now this is equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse tan x by root plus c. Okay, so we'll see one more problem. Okay, integral square root tan x by sine x cos x dx. Okay, now let us again divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So 1 by cos square x root tan x divided by tan x. Okay, so we get that as okay, and then let us take tan x as t here again. So further let us substitute it. This is nothing but secant square, so secant square x dx is dt, right? So that is dt, right? Secant square x dx as dt, and this will be root t divided by t, right? Okay, and this results to as 2 times root t plus c, or 2 root tan x plus c. So this is the solution. Okay, so let us look at another problem. So integral 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. Okay. Okay. So this results to as tan is sine by cos, and then after simplifying we get this as cos x minus sine x, and cos x plus sine x dx. Okay, and then let us take t as cos x plus sine x, so dt will be that is cos x minus sine x into dx, right? Okay, so integral dt by t, which is equal to log t plus c. This is equal to log of cos x plus sine x plus c, right? Right. We'll move on to the next problem now. Okay, so let us see this integral tan power 4 x dx now. So this is integral tan square x secant square x minus 1 dx, because I split tan power 4 as tan square and tan square x. Okay, and tan square x is secant square x minus 1, so this is integral tan square x secant square x dx minus integral tan square x dx. Okay. So this would be integral tan square x, and secant square x is again this is a d of tan x, okay, minus integral secant square x minus 1 into dx, right? This is equal to tan cube x by 3, right? And minus tan x plus x, okay, and plus c. So this is the solution. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. Integral dx by sine square x plus sine 2x. Okay, now this is integral divided by cos square x. So this is 1 by cos square is secant square x dx divided by tan sine square x by cos square x becomes tan square x plus this is 2 tan x. Okay, and now let us take tan x as t here. So secant square x dx will be dt, right? And we have dt by this is t square plus 2t. Okay, or we can split this as integral 1 by 2t dt minus integral 1 by 2 by t plus 2, okay, into dt, right? This can be done. Now further simplifying this, so this is 1 by 2 overall, this is log t minus log of t plus 2, okay. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 log tan x by 2 plus tan x plus c, okay. Yeah, okay. So let us move on to the next one. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. Yeah. Integral cos square x by sine power 6x dx. Okay, so let us solve this. So I is integral, let us separate it. So I'll take cos square x by sine square x, okay. So I'm left with one more sine square x and one more sine square x, so that I'll take as cosecant square x dx, right? So let us put that cot x as a t, so that this is cosecant square x dx as dt, okay. So this would be integral minus of t square into 1 plus t square, okay, dt, which is equal to minus t cube by 3 minus t power 5 by 5 plus c, okay. Now this is equal to minus cot cube t by the variable which is x here, okay, because t as cot x by 3 minus cot to the power 5 x by 5 plus c. So this is a solution of this integral, okay. Let us proceed further. Integral dx by sin x 3 plus 2 cos x, okay. So multiply and divide by sin x, so sin x by this will be sin square x, okay, and I'll have 3 plus 2 cos x dx, right? Now sin square x is 1 minus cos square x, okay. 3 plus 2 cos x dx. Okay, now let us take a t as cos x, so that minus sin x dx as dt, right? Let us substitute these. Okay, so integral minus dt by 1 minus t square, and this is 3 plus 2t, right? Okay, and on further simplifying it, minus t by this is 1 plus t, and 1 minus t, right? And this is 3 plus 2t, right? Okay, now let us separate these terms. Now this is 1 by 2 integral dt by 1 plus t, okay, minus 1 by 10 integral dt by 1 minus t, and plus 4 by 5 integral dt by 3 plus 2t. Okay, so this would be minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus t minus 1 by 10 minus and minus, let us put that as plus. Okay, one minus t, and this is 4 by 5. This is a log 3 plus 2t plus c. Okay, so the final answer would be 1 by 2 log of 1 plus cos x plus 1 by 10 log of 1 minus cos x. Okay, and this is 2, right? 2. This is 2 by 5 log of 3 plus 2 cos x plus c. Yeah. Please do subscribe. Okay, we'll do a few more problems. Yeah, thank you for watching.